welcome back to my channel. My name is Mdevaan, and today I'm going to be making a very sweet pocho soup that I really like. I'm excited about this one. Okay, so I paired this with egg soup, which has its own total different video, so watch out for that. The first thing we're going to do, as you all know, is pocho, is to parboil our meat. Today I'm using offal, like the inner parts of beef meat, that's like the stomach. Today, well, specifically I'm using the stomach, I'm using heart, the heart part, I'm using a bit of liver, even though I don't really like liver, and then the tongue. So yes, that's like the tripe. And then tripe, the large stomach part, you see some parts of the toe, etc. So that's what we're using today for this recipe. And then I'm going to put in our pepper, our freshly ground onions. Everything here was ground on a grinding stone. Our nune, our baye. If you watch this channel, yeah, familiar with all these things. And then obviously I have fresh nune as well, and like the whole one which I just put in, which is iru. Yes, so now I'm going to let this cook totally, and then a bit of seasoning. Remember that when we were parboiling the meat, I put plenty seasoning, so you have to be careful. And then I'm putting 1 ladle of palm oil. Now I'm going to cover this and just let it boil. You guys, pocho soup is like the easiest thing to make, and it wows everybody. It's really nice. It has a traditional taste, the smell, everything is just on point, and it just works well. And I think I'm one of the few people who can eat pocho alone. Some people have to pair it to another soup. I can't be bothered. I can eat this alone with any kind of meal. Our pocho is ready. You just need to allow it to cook and come to the consistency that you like. If you want it very watery, let it be. If you want it quite thick, leave it on the fire. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Yeah. Thank you. My name is Mdevaan.